Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Century 21 account, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Century 21 account, start by visiting the official Century 21 website. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to proceed to the login page. On the login page, locate the option labeled Activate Your Account. Click on that link to initiate the account activation process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information, such as your full name and email address. Make sure to enter the email address you used during registration. Next, check your email inbox for a message from Century 21. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the activation link provided in the message. Click on the activation link to be redirected to the account verification page. You may be asked to create a password at this stage, so choose a secure one. After creating your password, confirm it by entering it again in the designated field. Once you've entered your password, click the Activate button. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your account has been successfully activated. You can now return to the login page to sign in with your newly activated account. Enter your email address and password, then click Sign In. Congratulations, you are now logged into your Century 21. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.